Mastering the phrase, off to bed, in English. Hello, friends around the world. Today we're diving into a commonly used English phrase, off to bed. Understanding these simple words can help you sound more like a native speaker, and we'll show you how to use it in everyday conversation. Let's get started. The phrase, off to bed, means that someone is going to bed to sleep. It's a casual and informal way to announce that you're ending your day and heading to sleep. It's often used in familial or close settings, reflecting a routine or daily habit. Let's look at the phrase more closely. Off, in this context, means to depart or move away from a current activity. To bed refers to the action of going to one's bed to sleep. Putting them together, off to bed, indicates transitioning from whatever you are doing to the act of going to sleep. Here are a few ways you can use the phrase. I'm exhausted. I'm off to bed now. Good night. It's getting late. The kids are off to bed. After my show ends, I'll be off to bed. You can also hear variations like heading to bed, turning in, hitting the hay, a more idiomatic expression. And there you have it. You're all set to use off to bed like a pro. We hope this video has shed light on this simple but essential phrase in English. Sleep tight, and don't let the language bugs bite. Good night, everyone.